How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations. Tonight I'm doing a little cooking inside the RV because I'm doing a fall special. It's a sweet potato casserole, but a healthier and savory alternative with broccoli florets, ground turkey, onions, and garlic. I'm going to go ahead and get the ingredients prepped here, and then I'll show you guys the procedure of putting it together. So while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like if you like what you see. So I'm going to go ahead and do the sweet potato mash. I like to put mine in my food processor here. It's real quick and blends everything to the consistency that I'm looking for. This is one of those Ninja processors, so it has 4 blades down inside here, and it's going to chop all this up very fast, and like I said, get it to the consistency I'm looking for. So I went ahead and actually steamed these sweet potatoes and left the skins on because I like the more earthy flavor to it. And I also have some butternut squash in here, some onions, and a little bit of almond milk. I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic to this as well. And then I'm going to get it in my iron skillet with So, as you can see here, perfect consistency, nice and smooth. I went ahead and added 1 egg to this mix as well, so that way it binds together when I actually start baking it for the casserole. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my ground turkey cooked up here. Get the iron skillet nice and hot. Okay, so I went ahead and added my seasoning. It's just some garlic, salt, pepper, and I added a little bit of sage because it fits the flavor profile that I'm going for the meal here. And you can see here the color on the ground turkey. That's what I was talking about with leaving it for a while. You get that nice browning, and then you just mix it up a little bit. Just ready to go. All right, so I got my turkey out. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil, get the heat back up on the pan. So I'll go ahead and give these a toss around. And as you can see, they're already starting to get some color. I'm gonna go ahead and get this off and get our sweet potato casserole started here in the iron skillet. Out of the pan, I'm going to go ahead and give the pan another squirt, and I'm going to go ahead and add my sweet potato, just so it fills the bottom of the pan. Spread it out around the top. Add the broccoli florets. And then some vegan cheese. This is kind of the setup that we're looking for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cover this with foil and put it in my preheated oven here at 400 degrees. And I only put the cheese on one side because the wife doesn't want any on hers. So we'll go ahead and get this covered and get it in the oven. Go ahead and get the casserole out of the oven. All right, so it turned out really nice. Color's good. This is the half that I made with the cheese. What I did was I baked it first for about 20 minutes with the foil on, and then I removed the foil to get a little bit more color on top. So, like I said, turned out great. Sweet potato firmed up just the way I was looking for. But yeah, this is going to be absolutely delicious. So, sweet potato casserole, healthier, savory alternative. Like always, I'm going to put the ingredients down in the description below and the procedure of how I put it together. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off here and enjoy the casserole, and I will see everybody around the next campfire. Have a good night, everybody.